Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock apps in Galaxy A15 device. So first of all guys, just go to Play Store as we are using a third-party application for this and then search for App Lock. So this is the application by the way, App Lock and Guard. Just install this application and then click to open. Now enter the password. So I am entering the password here. Click to create. Again re-enter the password for the verification and then click save. Allow the permit, then allow the permit also for this one, then click OK now. So these are the applications by the way, and I want to log the application. Select any application from here. I am selecting message and phone. Now go back. So if we want to access phone, we have to enter the password for this. So this is how we can set or we can lock apps in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.